Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c:, then hit enter. Now we need to type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type in cd space c:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c:/ \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Type in ren c:/ \boot \bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.